Breaking news right now. The Food and Drug Administration has endorsed Moderna's vaccine for emergency use authorization. With final approval from the CDC, there could be 2 COVID-19 vaccines on the market by next week. CBS 4's Darius Johnson joins us live right now and brings us live up to date. Darius.
Hey there, Debbie. Good evening. You know, the FDA is making significant strides endorsing 2 different manufacturers in a week for emergency use authorization. The panel delivering a more overwhelming vote than Pfizer, with 20 voting yes and 1 who abstained. The final question to the panel tonight was, do the benefits of this vaccine outweigh the risks of those over the age of 18?
And that concludes the vote. It looks like we have a favorable vote.
Moderna could soon join Pfizer on the list of COVID-19 vaccines approved under emergency use authorization. Both have a high efficacy above 90%, but dip slightly for people over the age of 65. Pfizer is recommended for ages 16 and up, Moderna for those over the age of 18.
They use the same mechanism for delivering, delivering protection to the human who's getting the vaccine.
The Moderna side effects are similar to Pfizer's: pain at the injection site, headache, fatigue, muscle pain, and chills. 30,000 people participated in the clinical trial. Out of the 15,000 given the placebo, 185 got COVID, 13 were seriously ill, and 1 died.
That death weighs very heavily on me, but I do understand that that death occurred at a time when we did not understand if this vaccine was going to have the efficacy that it does, and we didn't have a clear understanding of what the benefit-risk profile looked like.
Out of the 15,000 who were vaccinated, 11 contracted COVID but were not seriously ill. Data from the clinical trials shows some of Moderna's side effects are more severe. There are also cases of Bell's palsy, a condition that causes temporary paralysis in the face, but experts say there is not enough data to tie this to the injections.
At this point, we don't have enough information to make definitive recommendations one way or another.
The second dose for Pfizer would take place 21 days after the first. For Moderna, it's 28 days, showing that 94% efficacy following the second dose.
The increase after the second dose really goes along with the increase in neutralizing antibody that we see in all participants and the induction of our T-cell responses.
Now, right now, officials are preparing just to ship out just under 6 million doses to 3,200 sites across the country. That's nearly double than the 2.9 million that Pfizer shipped out just this past weekend to more than 600 sites. Right now, officials are estimating that the general public could be vaccinated by early spring or late summer. That's the very latest in the newsroom this evening. I'm Darius Johnson, CBS 4 News.
Darius, thank you for that.